you are wondering which new eye cream to buy, or if you want to buy this one, whether you should go for this one or not. So if this sounds interesting guys, please keep on watching. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Ipshita. I make beauty, makeup, skincare related content in this channel. So today I'm back with this review over here of this product, which is the Mom's Co Natural Vita Rich Under Eye Cream. So I've been using this one for quite a while now, and I have my thoughts clear about it. So that's why I thought why not share it with you guys, in case you are wondering which new eye cream to buy, or if you want to buy this one, whether you should go for this one or not. So if this sounds interesting guys, please keep on watching, and after you're done watching this video, please take a moment to support me and subscribe to my channel guys. You will find the red subscribe button down below. Click on that button and make that button gray, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. Also, what I'll do is few of my other related review videos I'll put on the screen as soon as this video ends, so you can watch those videos next. And also I'll leave the link of few other videos which are related to this video down below in the bottom bar. Also I'll put the links where you can get this product for yourself in case if you want to buy it after watching the review. So everything will be mentioned down below in the bottom bar. Also do let me know if you have any feedback or suggestion for my future videos in the comment section. Also you can connect me with my other social media accounts. I'll leave all the links down below in the bottom bar, as well as I'll mention my Instagram handle over here, so that you can directly go to Instagram and search my handle to connect me over there as well. And I always put fun stuffs and product reviews on my Insta on daily basis as well. In case you don't want to miss that out, please go ahead and follow me over there, and to get connected with me over there as well. So that's enough of me blabbering. Now quickly let's get into the review. So guys, let's start with today's review, and as you already must be knowing that what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide this video into few parts, where I'm going to talk about each aspect of this product, so it's understandable for you guys what are my thoughts about it. So the very first aspect I'm going to talk about is packaging. Talking about the packaging of the product, this is how the product looks like. As you can see, it comes in a plastic tube like that, and it has a roller ball, metal roller ball packaging kind of thing, which is very cooling in case if you want to store it in the refrigerator just before you use it. This metal ball becomes really cool and very calming under the eyes when you apply it like that. All you have to do is you have to press it like this, and you get the product out. This is how the product looks. So I'll just show you how the product applies on the skin. But before that, let me show you the outer packaging. This is the outer packaging of this particular product. It comes in a double layered cardboard box like this, and which is very convenient, and I have actually stored this up not only for the review but also so that I can keep it inside it in this manner. This packaging itself, anyway it's very travel friendly, and it's all made of plastic, but still I like to keep and save the packaging. So normally I put and store my skincare items inside a cupboard where it's kept away from direct sunlight, and it's a cool and dark place. So you should also do that. Let me first show you the consistency of the product. This is how it works. Like the roller ball, it moves very easily whenever you do like this, and in this manner you can actually roll it up under your eye and apply the product well all over your eye. So I have been using this for almost a month now. Let me show you how this product actually looks on the skin. As you can see, it's like a creamy consistency, but and while I'm applying it, it's very smooth, you know. I love the texture. Like my skin is not dry, but I really love an eye cream which is really hydrating and moisturizing, because my under eye areas, as I wear makeup a lot, I tend to become dry, and dry under eye does not look good on camera as well as when you apply makeup. So that's why I really like to take care of my under eye area like every now and then. I don't have dark circles like that, but anyway, as I take care of my skin, in the same manner I like to take care of my under eye area. So this is how it looks like. Look at my skin. I know there isn't any like visible residue, but you can see that my skin looks healthier than before after I applied it. And one pump is good enough to apply the eye cream for both of your eyes, so it will really last a long time. And I think I really like the mechanism, the whole packaging thing, and the roller ball and everything about the packaging. And as it's a pump as well, so that's very hygienic, especially as you're applying it under your eye instead of using your fingers. If you're using the roller ball, I find it really hygienic. And always I wash my face before I go for my skincare routine during the night time, and obviously I apply it during night only. And that's what I really like, the packaging and the convenient like usage of it. So talking about my next point, it's the quantity that you're getting for the price that you're paying, which is rupees 474 for 15 grams of product. I think an eye cream which the quantity is 15 gram is really like a good quantity, because you don't require a lot of eye cream to cover just this area. And in case, I'll just tell you, if you're using your finger, always you should use this finger of yours, which is the ring finger, because out of all our 5 fingers in both of our hands, our ring finger is actually the gentlest. So you, even if you are not like keeping in mind that you have to be gentle, because our under eye area is very like tender, so you cannot apply a lot of pressure on that particular area. You should not apply pressure on your face itself, but your under eye area especially. So even if you forget that you are applying an eye cream and during under your eyes, so even if you apply just like this, finger itself has the most gentle like pressure. That's why you cannot harm your eye easily. So I always prefer that. But with this packaging, you most probably will not require to do it. But what I like to do is, after I massage it up, if I see that there is any residue, I like to pat it lightly with this my ring fingers, so that it get absorbed completely onto my skin. So that's how I like to use it. So it's totally up to you. Now talking about the pricing, I find the pricing a little funny, because normally the pricing are like on rounded figures, or it ends with 9, like 199, 499, something like that, or 200, 500, 400. And a price like 474, really I felt something is totally different, because they could have easily priced it at 450 or 500, but they kept it at 474, not even 475, which I find really like unique. And if you ask me about the pricing, if I think it's justified or not, you will understand it towards the end of this video. But talking about the price point, I think it's not very affordable, and it's not very expensive as well, as it's still under 500 and you're getting a good quantity of product. 15 grams is a lot, guys, when you are talking about under eye cream. So it's going to last you a very long time. You only need one pump to apply it all across your eyes. So I think that's a justified price, just as an eye cream. And talking about the performance and the review, we'll talk about it towards the end of the video, where I point out the pros and cons and everything about this product. And yes, so and anyway, you can get this product on discount whenever you want. Like, you can just add it in your wish list and wait for a sale. In case if you're wondering where you can get these products, this particular product, I'll leave all the links and the available store online down below. And yes, so you can check out the description bar in case you miss out on any detail I mention over here. Now let's move on to the next point. The third point I want to talk about is the ingredients. So first thing I really liked is they have mentioned the whole ingredient list. like every minute detail they have mentioned. Their ingredient list is like this big, which I really like. As a consumer, we all deserve to know what is actually going on our skin, so I really like that. And now let me first see which are the key ingredients in it, and which actually like does the job for an eye cream in this particular product. So obviously the key ingredient, the first three ingredients are purified water. Obviously water will be the very first, or aqua will be the very first ingredient in every product. Second one is glycerin. Again, glycerin is something I think you can find in each and every of your skincare products, doesn't matter from which brand or which country. And third one is caprylic triglyceride. So if you don't talk about the first three ingredient, let me first see the key ingredient which plays the big role by adding the benefit of this eye cream. First one is the coffee oil. So it is known to reduce dark circle, fine lines and puffiness, which is true guys, and they have coffee oil in it as per the ingredient list. And coffee is something which has been proved to be anti-aging for years now. And coffee oil is something, it actually helps to reduce dark circle. Obviously it's skincare, so you won't be able to see result like within a month, I mean to say within overnight. But in case you use it for quite some time, like few months at a stretch, like religiously, obviously you should see a difference. Because I cannot comment on the dark circle aspect or fine lines because I don't have none. I actually have none of these. So puffiness, yes, sometimes I do get puffy eyes, and this eye cream has helped me out with that. Now talking about the other key ingredients and main ingredients, which are hyaluronic acid, which we all know is a humectant, and it's a great humectant. It actually absorbs the moisture from the environment and keeps it locked in your skin. So as it has hyaluronic acid, I suggest you apply it during night time. And in case if you're using it during night time, always make sure you are actually completing your like nighttime routine with a good moisturizer or with a facial oil or something like that. Because just to seal the moisture in case if you live in a air conditioned like house, or if you have very dry weather wherever you live. Because I am from Kolkata, I don't have to worry about it, because Kolkata is half of the year it's humid like anything. So yeah, just to be on the safer side, always complete your routine with a good emollient moisturizer. Even if you have oily skin, we all know guys, your skin needs moisture to maintain the balance, even if of oil production as well. And otherwise you can apply a facial oil if you're not in like you're not very oily. And even if you have oily skin, you can still apply a facial oil which suits oily skin and it's not very heavy. Now talking about other ingredients, it has omega-3 rich chia seed oil, as well as it has avocado oil, and for enhanced skin hydration. So both of these ingredients are actually known to provide hydration to your skin, which I really like. They have a good blend of ingredient, and I find it really interesting. These kind of thing like hyaluronic acid you can find easily, I think, in an any eye cream. But coffee oil, chia seed oil and avocado oil, as well as organic chamomile oil, it actually has that as well. So it helps to soothe your skin, and this combination is something I really found unique, which I really like about this product. And it also has vitamin B3 as well as vitamin E added to it, which helps again with reducing line and wrinkles in case you have wrinkles. So even if you don't have, you can start early by using this kind of product, which actually saves your skin like from prior only. In always I think prevention is better than cure. So if you start early, even after your skin starts aging, during your mid-20s, if you start a skincare routine which actually supports your skin and delays the aging process, then why not? So and one more thing I really like about this one, it is free of as per the brand, it is free of the harmful chemicals, and it does not have paraben, it does not have SLS or SLES, and it does not have silicone. Most of the eye cream in nowadays, guys, just to give that slip, they add silicone in it, and we all know silicone is actually a controversial ingredient. I'm not saying it's a bad ingredient, but nowadays people are they're more prone to avoid silicone in their skincare or makeup. So it's a controversial ingredient, I would say. I'm not saying it's bad, but they don't have it, so that's a good thing. And they do not have mineral oil added to it as well. One more thing I would like to mention about the ingredient, that they have essential oil added to it as per their packaging. Where did I find it? Let me see. Yeah, they have all natural ingredients, and after opening this package up, you should actually finish this up within 6 months, and it is dermatologically tested, and they have essential oils added to it. And as per the ingredient list, there are few essential oils like orange essential oil, mandarin essential oil, also there are citric acid, which I have not faced any kind of irritation or any kind of, what should I say, like any bad feeling on my skin or any rashes on my skin after using this up for quite a while. And my under eye area also does not feel itchy or irritated or nothing, or red or anything, because anyway my skin is accustomed with using essential oil in it. And I have been I use essential oils almost on daily basis, and my skin is not a sensitive one. But I know there are people among you guys who are not very open to use essential oil and use something in their skincare routine which has essential oil in it. So I just wanted to mention it to you guys, in case if you want to get a product which does not have essential oil in it, or if you are not sure if it will actually irritate your skin or not, because it might, because it has like a citrusy essential oils added, which might be irritating for some. I don't know, it was not for me, but I'm just stating it out for you guys to know. Now let's move on to the next point. So now let's talk about what are actually my thoughts about the product. I have been using this app for quite a while, and as I already told you, I don't have dark circles or wrinkles as of now. So that part I cannot actually judge. But when it comes to good hydrating, moisturizing, and an eye cream which really feels good on your skin, I have found everything that I needed in this eye cream, and I really liked using it. And if you ask me if I will repurchase it, I actually have another eye serum or an eye cream from another brand which I want to try out after I finish this one up. So I will first try that out, and then after I feel like it, I will definitely move forward and grab this one up. But this particular one was not bought with my own money. It was sent to me for review purpose also, but it's just sent to me for review. It's not it's a PR thing, but it's not a sponsored review, guys. I'm again giving that disclaimer. Do not keep in mind that it was sent to me. That's why only I'll say only good things about it. There was nothing between me and the brand, but it was just sent as an PR. So which I am really fortunate, and I want to just keep mentioning it on the video, just to make sure that you guys are aware of it and we are on the same page. Because this is what I do. I review things and I try new products up and review it for you guys. So that's what my job is actually. And I think it's my duty and responsibility to disclose when a product is actually sent to me and I am not buying it with my own hard-earned money. But that does not mean that when I am actually stating it out that the product and this particular review is non-sponsored, like 100% non-sponsored, it is non-sponsored, guys. And even if in future I put any videos which is sponsored, I will actually find myself fortunate, and I will be the one who will be mentioning it to you guys during the first few minutes of the video only, that this is a sponsored video. If I do any sponsored video with any brands, so that will be something for which I will be more than happy to do any sponsored video with a brand, and that's not something I will hide from you guys. So I think getting sponsored is in a way getting acknowledgement for your good work from brands. So that's, I don't think, is something that I want to hide from anyone. And I have the responsibility, a certain amount of responsibility towards you guys, so for which I will always disclose whenever a product is bought with my own money, and whenever a product is PR, whenever the product is sent just for review purpose to me, and whenever a particular video is sponsored or not. So you can be rest assured about that. Everything that is said in this channel, I take full responsibility of it, and everything that I mention, all, like each and every word that is coming out of my mouth in this particular channel, are 100% truth and my honest thoughts. So obviously your thoughts can vary, and we all have different skin. You can actually can be someone who like this product way better than me, and you can be someone whose skin does not like this product, does not suit you. It can happen. So but that doesn't mean that what I am saying is wrong or false. So I hope I'm making sense without like making this disclaimer very long. I think you got my point. So yes, it actually helped me out, had my skin out, and it moisturized my skin without irritating it, which I really like. And it does not have like a very harsh fragrance as of such. If you're someone who wants a product 100% fragrance free, this is not the product for you guys. It has a very mild light fragrance, which I really like. I like products which have mild fragrances to give the sensory effect that I am looking for. It actually giving a pleasing like feeling whenever I apply a product which, when it has a good amount of like little fragrance, but at a good fragrance. But obviously I don't want to apply perfume on my face like in that manner. But in case if you are someone who uses only products which are 100% fragrance free, this is not the product for you. But I like its fragrance. So if you're someone like me, you can actually grab this one up. And also you can look for the sales, guys, because you can get it on discount on Amazon or Nykaa. You can easily get it on discount over there. And I think I saw on Amazon that most of the time they have something or other discount going on this product. And this is my very first product from the Momsco brand, and I really liked it. So obviously in future I would love to try out more things from this brand. And because this is a Indian brand and I really support Indian brand in my channel, and obviously that does not mean I only support Indian brands and only speak good about them. I only share my honest feedback, guys. Doesn't matter the brand is originated from whichever country. And it is a cruelty free product as well. This particular brand is a cruelty free brand, which I really like. Now quickly let's conclude this video with quick pros and cons, so that it's like crystal clear to you guys what are my thoughts. So now let's come to the first pro that I found about this product. This product does the job. I cannot comment about the dark circle and fine line promise, but removing those. But talking about the soothing effect and the hydration and moisturization, everything gets a 100% mark from me. So it's a pro. And talking about a con, I think the pricing can be a little less because it's a new brand, if you ask me. And but I don't have anything against the pricing. I think it's almost like kind of affordable for me, but it might be like for a beginner who is just starting off with skincare. Almost spending 500 rupees is not something which is practical in India. In case if you're really tight on budget, or if you're just a college going girl, so yeah, I get that. And so you can always look for discount, but I still found that if the pricing was a little less, so it will be like everyone could get it easily. So that's my first con. Talking about the texture, I really like the texture of the product because it really like hydrates my skin without making it feel greasy. And I don't like products which makes my skin oily, because I already have combination skin and I don't want the oily under eye, even if during a nighttime routine. And I'll just add another what to say pro, because I really like the packaging of the product. It's very convenient, very travel friendly, very hygienic, and I like the rollerball packaging, and it's very like soothing whenever you apply it under your eyes using that metal ball. Okay, I like the quantity as well, because 15 grams is a lot whenever it comes to an eye cream, when you need just a little amount. And I'm almost stuck in one cone. Alright, it has essential oils in it. So essential oil is something which is not suitable for all. I think they could have easily skipped it. Like, it's not one of the key ingredient. It comes, when I saw the ingredient list, it comes during the end of the ingredient list. So it does not, obviously it has a very less percentage. They have not mentioned the percent, but it obviously it has less percentage, as it occurs in the during the end of the list. But still, if you are allergic to like mandarin and orange essential oil, you can get allergic to this product as well. There is a possibility. So for that, I don't think the product is for all, as it has essential oil. Talking about the third con, I think it has fragrance in it, so that is again something not everyone will love. But it was okay for me. It's not a big problem, but as I am just putting it out for all of you guys, I'm mentioning it. Now talking about what else. I don't think I have any more points. Okay, yeah, I can have another pro. Like, if you talk about, it does not have harmful chemicals, it's only made with natural ingredients, it is SLS free, paraben free, mineral oil free, and it's cruelty free. All these things are really good, and it's a pro for me, guys. And now talk about what else? What else is there? No, I don't think there are any more points that I'm leaving. In case I left any point, I'm really sorry. You can let me know in the comments. But if I think 5 pros versus 3 cons. Obviously, the pro part is a little heavier, so the product is actually worth the money, I think. And for it, I really recommend it to you guys. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, guys. I really appreciate it, and I hope you found this review helpful. And if it was helpful, please take a moment to support me by subscribing to my channel, guys. You will find the red subscribe button down below. Hit on that button, make that button grey, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on it, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video. And it will really mean a lot to me if you please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, and yes, it will give me the motivation to keep going and making all such great content for you guys. And also, what you can do is you can give this video a big thumbs up if you really like this video. Also, you can share this video with your friends and family to spread the word, and also to make our Zoe Word family bigger. And in case if you have any feedback that you want to share with me regarding this video or about my channel in general, feel free to reach me out on any of my social media accounts. All the link I have already mentioned down below, as you already know it. And this is my Instagram handle. You can also follow me over there and connect with me over there as well. Otherwise, if you want to leave a comment and have a conversation over here, you can also do that under this video. And if you have any future video suggestion for me, you can also mention that in the comments down below, so that we can start a conversation. And in case if you have used this product up already and you have your thoughts, you can also share what are your thoughts on this product down below in the comments. But I would love to hear it. And yes, so I'll see you on my next video on next Sunday. Till then, you all stay safe, take care, bye bye. Mwah.